Hi, welcome to ADI Technical Training. I'm Matthew. In this video, we're going to look at how you would add a user to the Hikvision K1T680 series. We're going to look at how you'd add a face user, how you'd add a face template to the reader so you can use it for access control purposes. As well as the device, you're going to need some software. You'll need the IVMS 4200. That's available from hikvision.com. Okay, so here's IVMS 4200. It's a familiar screen to quite a few people. All we're going to do is add a facial user to that device. So what we have to do, 4 squares at the top there, go to person, and we can add or edit an existing card. So I've already got a card here actually, so let's add an image to that. Double click. This is the token I always use. As you can see, I've actually put them in my kit. It's the red token. I have a bunch of them and sometimes I forget which one I'm using, but in this case it's red. So let's add a face. There we go. Open that. Okay. And then okay. So now that face is saved to the template. And then what we need to do again, this time, 4 squares, go to access control. You can see it's a modified now. So let's go double click, make sure that it's ticked and then apply to all devices. And that will send the image through to the device now, giving it that template, that face template. So if I've got the unit right next to me here. So just to confirm, if I present my red token, it tells me the door's open, and if I look into it, and it says authenticated, and the door's open. It's a very short and quick procedure. So if you remember there on the person, if I close this window here, if you remember there, to add a photograph is quite a simple procedure, really. All you have to do is get your customers or your end users, you need to get them to provide you with a photograph. So the photograph must be at eye level, so in a similar position as the device will be seeing the person, so at eye level on a white background. So make that background as uncluttered as possible so that the device has to do as little work as possible. People would send all their files in, maybe give the files their username, put them into a staff photos file, and then simply when you've ready to add somebody, AD in this case, we can add file, add the picture, make sure that's okay, and then add them to the card. And there you go, the very quick way of setting it up. Installers rely on ADI. The ADI projects and technical teams offer a pre-configuration service. Any project size from a single device or to a complex system. Any IP device can be configured from our central hub using our technical and project teams. Having your device pre-configured will save engineers time on site. We can set your IP address, the gateways, and in addition, we'll make sure your device has the latest firmware on board. Simply get in touch with your ADI sales contact or email the projects team. Thanks very much for watching. All the products mentioned in this training video can be found on our website. Links are below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.